Our lateral inspection, 3 sawmill way. We've already dug in the backyard, installed the 4-inch clean out. There's our main connection. See, there's roots growing in, either at that last joint or they're growing between the lined main and the liner, or yeah, the pipe and the liner. And approximately right here at this joint where our PVC to clay connection is, that's where the main blockage was. Send them back to our clean out right here. So we'll pause here. I'm just going to take a video from the cast iron back. Okay, we're resuming our recording from the cast iron. The cast iron stubs out of the house about 5 feet or so. There's a cast iron transition. 3 to 4. It doesn't seem like there's any other roots in this line going up that way. Had to get pushed up and get a clear picture. The line is full of goo. Straight shot from here to the transition. PVC to clay transition. Down in our clean out. That concludes the video.